Hey guys, it is Tuesday here in West Virginia, and it's actually Halloween today. Unfortunately, I did not put together any kind of Halloween video for this year. Didn't do it last year either. I think it's been like 2 years since I've done a Halloween video. Today, we're just doing a regular Truckin' Tuesday, but I will wish everyone a safe and happy Halloween before we get started. But today, we're not even doing an orange truck or a black truck to stick with Halloween colors. We're doing a pink truck. This is the latest pink party vehicle from RLC. This is your 1962 Ford F100, and I actually missed this one through Mattel Creations. I was doing some orders online from the Philippines whenever this came up, and I forgot all about it, and I missed it and had to buy one off eBay. So instead of paying 30 bucks, I paid, I think it was like 48 bucks for it. But that was shipped with tax and everything, so it wasn't too bad because it would have probably cost me right around 40 with shipping and tax from Mattel Creations. So I didn't get raped too bad on the price. So, anyways, it's a very cool truck. I've been wanting to buy a variant of this casting for a while. Just haven't bit the bullet and did it. When I seen this one, this was a must-have because I love these wheels, these old style, like American Racing Krager 5-spoke wheels that Hot Wheels had for quite a while, probably, I don't know, like 20 years or so. They've had these wheels, and it's always been my favorite wheel. And it has a red line tire, this pink flamed paint job, and the flames are also pink and kind of ghosted into the paint. So it looks really good, and with the contrasting white roof, very cool. Card art looks really good, and these unfortunately are not numbered either. And if you're lucky enough to get it from Mattel Creations, you could buy two of them this time. Unlike the Skyline earlier this year, you could only buy one. I was fortunate enough to get that one, but that wasn't my cup of tea, so I ended up getting rid of it. But this one is my cup of tea. That's why I ended up buying it from the secondary market. So we're going to go ahead and get him out of the protector pack because I am freeing it. Actually, I've already freed it and putting it in my display case. Because it's just one of those kind of vehicles that needs to be free. I've done that with my 454 SSs, as you see, my Super Treasure Hunt pickup, the Tradesman. That's actually an easy one to free because it comes in a display case. But anyways, let's go ahead and pop him off the card. Take a look at him and such. And we'll do the write-up thing on the back here from RLC. So it says, with every new decade comes change. One of those was the 1962 Ford F100 with its unibody design. This short-lived model was designed with the cab and box functioning as one piece. Its adoption into the suburban lifestyle was also a pivotal change for a truck that was widely used as a workhorse vehicle. The pink Spectre Flame paint is the first RLC pink car to have pink on pink ghost flames, a white roof, and interior round out the color tones of the LA convention car with its slam stance, smooth body sides, and detailed straight six engine. Real Riders 5-spoke mag wheels with red line tampo support this model as it sits on display in all its glory. Don't forget the custom LA23 license plate giving a nod to the convention. So that is pretty cool. I do like how they molded in the tonneau cover on it too. And as you can see, it's just a beautifully done truck. Heavy casting too. And yeah, it does have the white interior. Just notice that. Opening hood. And then that was one thing that I did kind of dig about the engine. It is white. But the one thing that I really dig about it is that it is a stock inline six. It's not like the Pro Touring has some kind of Mustang if 5.0 engine or something like that in it. It has just the original inline six. And what's really cool too is the bottom of the hood in that Spectre Flame pink reflects the engine very well. It's like a mirror. So that is pretty cool too. Nice detail in the grill headlight area, and as I mentioned, LA23. Pretty cool. All the details there with the cutouts under the hood for the grill. Detailed headlights, bumper bolts are there. And then your emblem on the side of the hood. And then even the gap for the opening hood is pretty nicely done. Lines up very well. And they mentioned this is the first time they've done ghosted flames in these pink party cars. The Ford across the tailgate and red tail light detail, but it's hard to tell on the pink. It almost blends right in. It's just a shade bit darker, as you can tell. And it's got a roll pan on the back, which is pretty sweet. Nice detailed chassis. So, very sweet truck. So, if you guys haven't gotten one, I would highly recommend it. It's a very cool piece. I like it a lot. And that's why I bought it from the secondary market. And you can still pick them up that cheap, probably cheaper than that nowadays. I don't know why it didn't like soar in price like a lot of these do, but maybe in a year or two it will. So it's definitely no R34 by popularity, but it is a very sweet truck. It's actually my favorite pink party car of the year, I would have to say. So that's it for our Truckin' Tuesday, guys. I will be back again, maybe tomorrow or Thursday, with another video for you. Not sure what we're doing yet. I have a pile of stuff to unbox and go over with you guys. So that's why I've been doing videos almost every day lately. So maybe we'll start slowing down a little bit since we're coming up on the holidays. I may have some stuff going on. I can't make videos as much as I have been this past month, but we'll see what happens. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow or the next day.